Yeah, today we decided to take a to do a tuk-tuk sightseeing. Tuk-tuk sightseeing. Sorry guys for the camera is shaking because of the tuk-tuk is shaking. Yeah, that's how it is.
You must keep doing it like
You can see the guys. There's a lot of scooters, lots of motorbikes.
Don't take too long. Sand and then
Let's see.
No, yesterday night when we got back home, I wanted to post it. It didn't allow.
it's because the battery went off. Start over.
No. We solve it.
I wanted to take a bike. We took a few notes.
I still want it. I think I must go with you and
Yeah.
Imagine how am I gonna sit in my boy then no scooter.
You don't wanna go with us, so me and mommy will go along.
Yeah, you guys can go.
You'll stay at home.
Look at that. Look at that. This is Bangkok, guys. Bangkok. We're in Bangkok now. Doing tuk-tuk sightseeing. Oh, the embassy. The embassy is here. The embassy is here. I think it will come here when we come to extend our visas. This is Home Office. The embassy, babe. The embassy. We've been already.